Hello from Hengehold Trucks. You are looking at a 2023 Chevrolet 2500 with 15,093 miles. Yes, it looks this good in real life. Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include a bin package, a ladder rack, cruise control, power windows and door locks, a backup camera, and more. It is eligible for a Section 179 tax write-off. Businesses have counted on Hengehold Trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. We don't do gimmicks or shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.